on the thermopile, a reason why it will run the water heater and then like shut off and then relight again, and you won't always get an error code, is the thermopile is bad. What happens is the insulation in here is degraded and the wires are touching, so it's shorting out. So you need to come over here and slide this insulation back, and it should look intact. I'm going to show you what one looks like when it's bad. This is one that's bad, and you can see how the insulation is just sloughing off, and the wires are burnt from touching because it coils back. And when it gets really hot in that chamber is when it shorts out. You could see right here, we're only getting 620 millivolts out of it, and that's with the wire touching. Watch what happens when I uncoil the wire though. I'm gonna pause it for a second. Okay, so I made sure that the wires were not touching anymore. And you can see we're instantly climbing. And now the wires are touching again, and instantly we see our millivolts start dropping down. And this is amplified the hotter it gets inside the combustion chamber. So this will cause an intermittent issue with your water heater shutting down. I'll go, disconnect the two wires again. And we can see how fast it climbs up.